cheeseless Cheetos.
Is it a car?
It is a
Look at
car.
the way you finger that.
It's a car. Why are you wondering how I finger it?
Is that how you finger it normally?
It's a car.
Have a fragile and gentile?
I think it's an empty car. I'm not taking that out. I'm not taking that out.
I'll do it.
What year is that? What year is that, sir?
1970 Oldsmobile 442W30.
Damn, 440.
Thanks for not letting me unbox
Make it
this
down.
one.
Back on.
Who?
Back on. Crash.
Look at Uncle Michael getting all brand name orientated. You see that? Did we already do the tote in the bottom?
Yeah. Uncle Michael. Sign baseballs.
Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth. Gun. Shoe. Bic lighter. Zippo. Torch. Compression gauge. What's that in that plastic bag with paper right there? No, right here. Look at that, see? 1950 Chevrolet.
Hitch cover.
Nazi stuff.
This is for Anthony.
Yeah, for Anthony.
That's Nazi.
Put this in your truck, Uncle Mike.
You put this.
You are 1950 Chevrolet. Then this
Don't
is
mess that up. That's eBay.
I'm not messing it up, sir.
You don't see anything.
Each one of these have a $100 bill in them.
Good. Matter of fact, she can call you in 2 minutes and tell you to get home.
Well, just ask me what I'm doing.
We got here, Uncle Mike. I can pull. Ooh, look, what's this one? Looks sportsy. It is. See how you pull those out? Those are the good ones.
Gym teacher stuff?
You keeping those?
Gym teacher. Okay, sir, you and your socks are gonna have to move.
Yes, guys.
I'm almost done here.
This is how we do it in the storage business. You people think we make a lot of money. No, we just live comfortably, getting things we need for free, like socks.
Okay, Mike, could you finish going through this, please?
Look how he protects him on his shoulder, like he's carrying his baby. Let me burp you, little baby.
Come on, finish going through it.
It ain't none of them dirty drawers.
It's your box, Uncle Mike.
Dirty doors.
You start a box, you finish a
Oh,
box.
some nice t-shirts down here. We'll pull them out tomorrow, though.
What kind
I'm
are
gonna
they?
look now, though, maybe.
Ooh,
just
rock
in case.
ones? Oh, what is that? That's kind of. I can see Alex wearing that.
Look at this one.
I would wear that one. What do you got here? Magazines. eBay.
Look at this one. This one I also wear right here. Also, nice one. Oakland A's Athletics. You went to Lipson.
No. Be another herb garden. Look at those socks, Uncle Mike. You paying that? They're like $22 in socks.
Oh, yeah. $22.
I didn't know things were that tough at home, Uncle Michael.
I gotta get down on some new socks, yeah.
Come on, silver.
Ooh, see that red one right there?
Yeah,
That's 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
No. There's something in there.
Ooh, gold.
The
Gold
chain
chain.
right there. Look at the damn pennies at silver. Go play with silver. You can have it.
I love it. look at that bag open. Ooh, that,
Look at that.
Film.
that bag is spread. Ooh, look at that bag spread. Damn, a lot of quarters in. Damn. Damn. It's a lot of change.
Look at that bag.
Look at that though. Come on, let's see it to the light.
Is it heavy? No. I have to buy Uncle Michael.
Uncle Michael's strong though. You can't tell what's heavy. You can set it up here. Oh, shut it.
Shut it down.
You're packed the shit.
This is nice.
Fucking squirrel.
This one right there, Mike.
What's that gold card?
I want to open this.
Babe Ruth.
Golden Legends.
Huh? Nothing. Old frame.
What are the photos of? Were they old people? Were they baseball
Grandma.
players? What's that? What's the stuff underneath here?
It's money.
Here's some cards.
That money.
See that? Ooh,
Oh,
$2
more
bills.
$2 bills.
Nice.
Told you them blue totes are the ones.
See that? Set that aside. What's that gold piece right there?
Stamp.
It's a Babe Ruth stamp.
What's solid gold?
What's the one that was right there too? John? The one, that gold one that was nothing? It says 160. Envelope down there.
Magazine. That's a book. That's a book? No, I said it's a magazine. That's a book.
Yeah, something. Official, what does it say, Little League?
Let me see.
What they can say that?
.500 home run club.
That's this right here. That's cool.
See who's on there. There might be someone very important on there.
Frank Robinson, Willie. No, I don't know what that is. It's Hank Aaron.
That sucks.
Hmm.
Let me see that.
Uncle Michael,
What?
when you're done with the thievery, we need your knife.
Here's a battery charger.
One right there. Uncle Mike keeps picking it up. He's so scared of you taking any knife.
He lost it.
No, he's got 9 pockets.
I don't have it.
Thing, Chris. But we're hoping to find the mecca of magazines.
Where's the knife?
All magazines, huh?
You're not the Mecca.
Good shit. I don't know what it is.
Right here, go ahead. Say
Oh boy, baseballs.
You sign that one. It's a National League ball.
It's autographed though.
Cal Ripken Jr.
Mm.
And it's got the thing for the COA. Set that aside with the other baseball stuff.
Where's
I have a
the-
feeling those are more baseball
Where's the other
stuff.
baseball stuff at? Don't start feeling. I'll tell you when it's time.
Come on, baby. ...2001 World Series. I can't make out who that is. I didn't even watch baseball.
This isn't big knife, you guys. This is really getting to...
I think he packed it. I'm gonna buy some knives with little strings.
I want a good one like I had. I want this
Which one
one.
did you have? Uncle Michael, wanna go to Home Depot after you leave from here?
I got a party to get to.
Camcorder. Next.
He can pick you out a knife. Nice little pink one.
We got a party to get to.
My ass. There's nothing else in that box? The box is empty?
gotta go in there. Let's go and check. Let's see.
Elvis is in there. Handball.
Binoculars to sell. We're selling those good today.
Two signed baseballs and a silver coin.
There's something else to look like Jeff Gordon
No.
stuff. Yes.
No. Put out the good baseball stuff over there.
There's a nice little tire pump. Sit up here a little bit.
He's taking locker wear to a whole nother level.
High performance. High endurance. That's me. High
Uncle
endurance.
Michael's looking for an Old Spice commercial.
Another nice hat.
Well, Michael, you're fine. I know he doesn't really go talk to us already. He's fine.
Girl books.
Oh, where's Anthony? Another Kama Sutra book. Anthony's the master technician, the
Nazi
sectician.
book. What's a Nazi book?
Where? Is it signed Mein Kampf? No. No.
There's money in every single one of them pictures.
Such a shiny motherfucker right now.
Keep stopping every 5 minutes.
Too bad you didn't even let your son do it for you.
What'd your son say after he seen it?
Didn't see it yet.
What do you think he's gonna say?
He's probably disgusted in what horrible work they did.
Oh yeah. He's not with my door I wanted it.
Look at those shirts. I can see Alex wearing one of those. Look how delicate Alex flips through the shirts. Look at that. Oh, look at those Alex.
Better than clothes.
Yeah, so.